Shout to the prince.
Welcome back to our channel. So we are in the bus and हमने बहुत compromise किया है because हम लोगों को अलग से मिला नहीं. So we are 3 in a cabinet and we are just chilling right now. मेरे phone में data नहीं है. That's why I'm so bored right now. And I'm asking him to just give me little data just on his hotspot and he's not doing it. As he's a gentleman, he should do it. You know what? I've praised him a lot. Like that was truth only. I was not lying. That I was just spitting the facts. But I think he should own the data so that I can use it. I don't know. You should ask him. You should comment down below. Please, girl.
I'm not going to give her data as my husband right now.
But I'm gonna go for the whole way. Like what I'm gonna do through the whole way.
You can chit chat with me, or after that you can sleep the whole night.
No, I don't want to sleep because I've slept a lot, and he's gonna talk to his wife, and then he's gonna sleep. Okay, but I have nobody.
I am with you, na? Right now. You can speak with me, or you
I
can
am.
also speak with your bro right now.
I am
So why
speaking
you
to you.
taking it seriously to that you have nobody to talk right now?
No, it's not like
Why you
that.
want anybody?
I
Then
want.
I am here,
See,
like-
what I have discussed to Jia, I just told her that just send me the pictures, whatsoever we have clicked. Faji के phone से, बड़े वाले Faji के phone से, because there are some content that we want to post. So I asked her that I will edit those things अभी रात में because I am free right now. So to edit those things, I need the data. So that's what I'm asking.
Okay, I will give you for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay.
But that is not enough to edit something.
Because I don't have a battery right now.
No,
I have only
you
50%
can.
battery.
There's a
Charger
point to
point.
charge. Yeah,
Okay.
do it. There is no.
Then I can give you if my phone charge.
Yeah, I'll make your phone charge.
I will do one thing. I can recharge 19 rupees for one day. One
Okay.
data.
Yeah, please do it.
I can do that. But for that I need 100 rupees.
Okay, I'll give you. I have
Right
500.
now.
I have 500. Like Bua gave like this is happening, but it's not first time. But I'm happy to gain and I'll be coming next time. और अगर बुआ ने 500 से कम दिया तो बोलूँगी पिछली में 500 दिया, इस बार कम क्यों दिया?
Why you compress, huh?
Yeah, actually.
500 दिया तेरे को?
और नहीं तो क्या, 500 मिला है एंड बुआ ने 500 दिया मेरे को. मजाक थोड़ी है, दिया हूँ मैं. अब आप तो हर महीना आ जाती हो तो आपको कौन देगा? अच्छा आपको तो मिलेंगे भी नहीं वैसे भी. But still, that like you know मेरी इज्जत है, dignity, my dignity.
40 ना करने.
नहीं मैंने 40 कर लिया आज.
काम करो इसी रखे.
आप भाभी दे के गई है क्या?
कौन?
वहीं घर पे दे रही है ट्रक करके.
मैंने
जिया
मम्मी इंग्लिश में बात करो.
इंग्लिश में बात करो.
सलोनी
इंग्लिश में बात करो.
इंग्लिश में क्या कर रही हो?
बोले हाउ आर यू, पूछे हाउ आर यू.
हाँ वही
हाँ आई एम फाइन. आप बोले आई एम फाइन.
आई एम फाइन.
हाँ वेरी गुड.
Yeah.
So guys, right now I'm hanging my video right now.
No, let me tell you the money I got. Yeah, I got 500 from. अरे मैं नहीं आ रही. हाँ, I got 500 from खुशबू बुआ, अंजलि बुआ, and 50 from अम्मा, and 20 from अबुआ. So in total I have 900. नहीं 900. Now that 500 plus 50. Winter कितना होता है 500?
900. Yeah, 500 plus
50. 500.
550.
550. 550 plus 20. 580. नहीं 570. I'm
Oh
so
my God, what's going on with this guys? This young generation, they know how to calculate percentage. They didn't know. Still they don't know. Guess what?
See?
500 plus 20 is 900. How can be that?
Guys,
Yeah.
we are Gen Z.
You are
We
so
use
dumb.
calculators.
Gen Z guys are so dumb.
Yeah. No, we are not dumb. We do smart work instead of hard work.
What is the smart work in calculation?
Smart work is like if you are counting in your mind, you are
Smart-
using
no,
your
no,
mind,
not
you are
mind.
counting in
You
all.
can-
You can
calculate
just
in
use
calculator.
your phone, just open it, just enter the passcode. Just enter the passcode and just write down the numbers and you get your answer. Why you need to use your brain? If you will be using your brain will be exhausted.
Acha.
Just let the brain rest. ऐसा प्यार से. Use the brain like a Gen Z, like a diya.
Don't use like a Gen Z guys.
You should.
Seriously, I'm not agree with this.
Millennials are like non-existing peoples. Like I don't even think they have something good in their life, something trusting in their life. We Gen Zs are so cool. Like we have.
This person, he's saying this guy.
He
How
said,
can he can say this
he
kind of
नहीं
stuff?
you मैं.
I'm already told that scene.
I am.
Look at the smile. Now she going to be cry. After 5 minutes.
I don't cry. I don't cry.
When she smiles so much.
Yeah, I do
She
cry a
don't
lot.
cry.
Yeah. You know what happened yesterday? I was exhausted. Like for the whole day, he was not at home. Gia was not at home, and I was alone for the whole day. So I was already drained. I have nobody to eat. I have nobody to do anything. I was so gussa from everyone. Gussa, what? It's okay.
She's not angry like this. She's gussa.
I was so gussa from
Look at
everyone.
this guy. Gussa guys.
Hey, फालतू नहीं बोलेगा.
निकालो क्या?
काय करे छे? काय करे छे? काय बोले छे? काय करे छे? काय बोले छे? बोलना कोणी आहे?
बोल काही भी कोई नहीं.
काय बोलना आहे ना? बोले छे? बोल छे 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 छी. हाँ. So I was alone for the whole day. फिर रात को आके अचानक से
18 नहीं होते सोने
they all be like let's go घूमने. तो मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आएगा. Like for the whole day you guys are roaming outside and I was the only one who was at the home alone. You were not even asking me. I just let's go and you were just. So I was so exhausted and I really wanted to cry. ठीक है, I wanted to cry but मैंने control करा that I won't cry. But when Bua and I was on video call and she said, "Yo, cold coffee पिला दो." Like that was a hurting point. I really felt hurtful that she is with me
Now she's
since.
going to be crying.
That she is with me since 16 years and she don't even know that I hate coffee, chai. I don't even like
boba
cold
tea
coffee.
lover.
Yeah, you can consider me as a boba tea lover, but you can't consider me as a chai or a coffee person. I'm not.
You drink one time or take from coffee thika, remember? You drink
But
cold
no,
coffee that time.
it was not the cold coffee. It was आपकी cold coffee थी. मेरा shake था. If you remember, that was a chocolate shake.
Okay.
I never had coffee. That is like something I personally hate. So she said, "Dear, I should try or something like that." की cold coffee. And I was so hurt. मतलब मैं पहले गुस्से में थी. पहली बहुत and उनकी वो बात मुझे poke कर
हिंदी.
दी.
कितने बजे चले
That thing
आप?
poked me. That
हम लोग 12 बजे चले होंगे.
सही 12 बजे.
हाँ.
that thing
12 10 हो
poked
गया.
me. That she don't even know that what I like and what not. Because I have
Look at me. Look at you. Right now you are speaking about my wife. Okay.
yeah. So
Don't do
what?
this thing.
She's my bua
She is
before
my
you.
wife.
Oh, she's my bua.
Right now she's my wife.
She's my bua before you. I have been with her for about 16 years. It's been 1 year only.
Doesn't matter. Now she.
It does-
she with me,
it
okay?
matters.
I can't handle this burai right now.
Oh, I'm not buraing. I'm sorry. I'm not like ऐसा बुराई. But it's just I felt hurtful that she don't even knew about it. ठीक है, and even when I asked her, don't you know that when I asked her, don't you know that I don't like coffee? She was like, no. वो तो तू घर की पी लेती है ना. It was like, so it was quite hurtful. And then Gia came suddenly and she said, I know she don't मतलब नहीं पीती वो. And I was like, भाई, you are someone who's living with me since 16 years and don't even know this little thing about me. It's like it's just
Even
1 year.
I know that she can't drink coffee.
Yeah, everybody know
Bua,
that
I really disappointed with you.
Yeah,
His
I'm-
Bua, my wife.
his bua nahi her bua.
Sorry, her Bua. Sorry.
So it's like that was quite hurtful that she don't know. Because
She don't know. She
yeah,
don't
it's just
know.
been 1 year that she's not with me. She's living
You. Okay.
with my
So guys,
gentleman Fufaji. So gentleman Fufaji. Yeah, like this is the whole situation.
ले लो.
हाँ.
अरे कैसा? एक हाथ से निकल. बाद में
हाँ तो like she's living with him. तो I didn't knew कि वो 1 साल में मुझे भी भूल जाएगी. मेरे emotions भी भूल जाएगी.
भूल जाएगा. हम तेरे को भी भूल जाएंगे. कोई बात नहीं.
अब तो उनका बेबी भी आ जाएगा. उसके बाद तो क्या इम्पोर्टेंस रह जाएगी मेरी. बट यू डोंट फॉरगेट आपकी पहली औलाद मैं ही
आज
हूँ.
मैंने दिया था इतने फोटोज खींचा बस खास कर दिया था.
नहीं अच्छा यार अच्छी नहीं आई.
मैं भी डिलीट मारूंगा. भेजा भी नहीं है.
सॉरी लेने की बात है. No, but you have to accept the fact that we are your first child only. Like even after your child, we are your first.
My first child is Kana.
Whatsoever, I don't care really.
So I'm getting there.
No, you have to accept the fact that I am the first child. Doesn't matter whoever
Your
comes.
daughter.
Yeah, I'm the first daughter. And after me, if it is gonna be big girl, then she'll be a second daughter. Daughter only. उसको बचपन से समझा के रखूंगी. You are second, okay? You are second. Don't prioritize yourself as a first one. I'm the first one only. Okay? to the future baby, this is a reminder from your sister, from your elder
Yes,
sister.
elder sister.
Yeah. So your parents are my parents before you. Okay, just get this into your head. Like if you're a baby girl, then I'm the first daughter, and if you're a baby boy, doesn't matter.
So,
But
what?
I really want a baby boy. Okay, if you're a baby boy, then I'm the only one who wants a baby boy because your father wants a baby girl. I'll keep this video as a memory. Your father wants a baby girl.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby
Still
boy.
missing you. When are you coming back? When
When you'll be coming
coming?
home?
We are waiting for.
Yeah, we are waiting so much. We're so excited.
We are excited.
Even I have decided that how I'm gonna plan her baby shower. I have so many things to do. I have so many poses to recreate with you.
And I'm waiting for that. Then we can travel whole the world together.
Without me,
Think about
I don't know.
it. Someone
That is
getting
the only
again.
thing. That is the only thing I'm jealous of you, baby. I'm so jealous of you. Like you will be the one who will be living with them. You will get the whole love and the.
Now we're going to send this video to your mama. Okay. So bye bye from us.
Yeah, I love you so much from bottom of my heart.
Bye bye, baby.
But don't forget, I'm the first child. After me, it's you. Yeah, after me, it's you. Don't try to take my position.